In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a card view to your Smartsheet. Card view is a great way to visualize your work, especially if you're managing tasks, projects, or workflows that move through different stages. Instead of looking at a traditional grid of rows and columns, card view lets you see your items as cards that you can move around. This can feel a lot more intuitive, especially for status tracking or Kanban style boards. First, open your Smartsheet where you want to use card view. Make sure you're already logged in and have the sheet open in your browser. At the top of the sheet, you'll see different view options like grid, Gantt, and so on. Look for the option that lets you change how the sheet is displayed. Here, you want to switch into the card-based layout. Now, click on the option labeled card. This will switch your current sheet from the standard grid view into card view. It might take a moment to load, and once it does, you'll see your rows transformed into individual cards. Each card usually represents a single row from your sheet, and the information shown on the card is pulled from the columns in that row. Depending on how your sheet is set up, Smartsheet will organize these cards into lanes, often based on a drop-down or status column, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. If you don't see lanes right away, double-check that your sheet has a column that can be used for grouping, such as a single select drop-down. Card view becomes most powerful when you're grouping items by a meaningful category. Once you're in card view, you can start organizing your work visually. To do this, simply click and hold a card, then drag and drop it into a different lane or position. For example, if a task moves from pending to in progress, just drag that task card from the first lane into the next one. When you drop the card, Smartsheet automatically updates the underlying data in that row to match the new lane. You can rearrange cards within the same lane as well to prioritize which tasks are most important or most urgent. Drag higher priority cards to the top so they're easier to see. This doesn't just change the visual order, it can help you and your team quickly understand what needs attention. That's all there is to it. Switch to card view, then drag and drop your cards to reflect the real status of your work. With this setup, your Smartsheet becomes a simple visual workflow that's easier to manage at a glance.